Have you ever experienced Bluetooth speaker problems with Windows or your computer sound output not working properly? Stay tuned and we'll show you an easy way to troubleshoot it and fix it. Hello everyone, this is Rick with Cybernetics. Audio problems with Bluetooth or the Windows system can occur for many reasons. We'll demonstrate the most straightforward way to solve your sound problems. So for me, what I noticed here was the Bluetooth speaker system was not working any longer and I could not adjust the sound on the Windows system. So using the Windows key plus the I key, we'll launch the settings. First thing I did was go into Bluetooth, search Bluetooth, and then come down here to find and fix problems with Bluetooth devices. Just troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. So we click next. And it came back and said, Bluetooth is not available on this device. And I knew Bluetooth was on the device because I was using it just a few minutes ago. So we click next. And it says the troubleshooter made some changes to your system, but it did not fix the problem. So close this, come down to the sound, and you'll see that it says no audio device is installed. So we'll use the Win X key, and we'll go over here to Device Manager. So the first thing we'll do is open up the sound and video section. We'll go to the AMD audio device. We'll click on the driver tab. And here we're going to disable the device. Now, a lot of video demonstrations and tutorials will say, update the driver, uninstall the device. But your most straightforward way is to just disable the device before you do anything else. Because if it was working, then all of a sudden it's not working. It probably just needs to be reset. So when we click disable device, it'll ask us to confirm. We'll say yes, and you'll see the speaker icon over here change. And we'll click OK. And what we're going to do is for all the sound output settings, now you don't need to worry about the inputs like the microphone and this Droid cam source I have here. We're going to follow the same exact procedure. I don't demo it here, but that's going to be the same procedure. When you do that, and you've done it successfully, you'll see that they've all been turned off. So now all of our sound output drivers have been turned off. Once we do that, we'll restart the system. And now we'll do Windows X again. And we'll select Device Manager. Once we do that, we'll come down into the sound settings. Open that up. And now you'll see that all of these are disabled. We'll click on the AMD audio device and we'll select Enable Device. Select Next. And you can see it changed the speaker icon. We'll say Finish and Close. And then we'll do the same thing for every one of these that we had turned off previously. Once you do that, they'll all be turned on. You'll see the speakers will look like this. And then we'll restart the system again. We'll come down to the sound area here, and now you can see the headphones are turned on. We'll click the speaker. Now you can see Bluetooth has reconnected, and the speaker can be adjusted. This concludes our video of changing audio grief into audio relief. Would you please like the video and subscribe to the channel? This supports our efforts in helping others with technology. Post any questions or comments below and have a great and wonderful automation day.